Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, I will learn about a grammar lesson which is may versus might. So these are modal verbs. So firstly, may is used for a stronger possibility and might is used for weaker or uncertain possibility. So for example, it may rain this evening. It has stronger possibility. He might come to the party. He might come to the party is a less probability or less possibility, right? A polite permission. May I borrow your pen? Might I take a suggestion? Rare, very formal, or very polite. So we generally do not use might I make a suggestion. May I make a suggestion? May is generally very polite and also formal, right? Could I could I borrow your pen? And may I borrow your pen? So yeah, in the previous lesson we already learned about, right, like this, the past possibility. We usually might have plus we usually use might have plus past participle for hypothetical situations. He might have forgotten the keys. Might have is also possible but less common in speech. He might have forgotten his keys. मतलब वो भूल चुका हो सकता था अगर, तो क्या होता, राइट? It might rain later. May you help me? It might rain later, right? It might rain later. Use base verb. Could you help me or may I ask you for help? May I ask you for help? May you help me? Could you help me or may I ask you for your help? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो या फिर क्या मैं तुमसे मदद के लिए पूछ सकता हूँ, राइट? Okay, today's grammar exercise. It might snow later. Better take an umbrella later tonight. So we are like predicting like possibility. So a stronger possibility. So yeah, it may snow. I might be a little late. Don't wait for me. Means it's not a stronger possibility. You may enter now. The meeting is and you might enter now. You might enter now. The meeting has ended, right? He might have told her already, but I'm not sure. He might have told her already, but I'm not sure. He's thinking in his brain. So he's making a hypothetical situation, and hypothetical situation we always use might or could, right? Or would. May I use your charger for a few minutes? Few minutes. Yeah, I think it's a very basic, generic, generic relations between may and might, right? Now the tense practice. Future perfect continuous. By 2026, she will have been. She will have been working. I have been studying. I will have been studying. They will have been traveling for 15 hours by the time they arrive. This is too easy, right? Because there doesn't give any option like means future perfect versus future perfect, or there is just a little one exercise. Only future perfect continuous. You will have been. He will have been practicing the RSAT. So let's check the answers. Excellent work. Okay, you score 5 out of 5, and also you score 5 out of 5 in this. Yeah, it is giving me some dopamine, right? When you succeed in something, and when you tick your habits in your Notion page or your habit record, then it will give you some good dopamine hit, right? So yeah, I will do these exercises regularly so that I will become more fluent in English, and I will become more fluent. I'll become grammatically correct, so that no one will question my English, and I will become more confident because speaking in English give you more confident, right? So please follow me, and we both we will become more fluent in English. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah.